Space is vast and full of mysteries. The universe stretches out in all directions, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. To unlock these secrets, we need powerful tools. Astronomers and scientists dedicate their lives to studying the cosmos. One of these remarkable tools is the Hubble Space Telescope. Launched in 1990, Hubble has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Hubble is a large telescope that orbits Earth, free from atmospheric interference. Being in space gives Hubble a clear view of the cosmos, capturing images with unprecedented clarity. Hubble's sharp vision allows us to see farther and clearer than ever before. It has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies and nebulae. Over the years, Hubble has made countless discoveries, from identifying new planets to capturing the birth and death of stars. As we look to the future, Hubble's legacy will continue with new missions and telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. Hubble's vision has transformed our view of the universe, opening our eyes to the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Hubble's mission is to explore the universe. It observes stars, planets, galaxies, and more. Hubble helps us understand how these objects form and evolve. It also helps us learn about the history of the universe itself. Hubble sends back amazing pictures and data. Scientists study this information to make new discoveries. Hubble has revolutionized our understanding of space. It has shown us the beauty and wonder of the cosmos. Hubble launched into space in 1990, carried by the Space Shuttle Discovery. It was a monumental event, marking a new era in space exploration. It was a moment of great excitement for astronomers and space enthusiasts around the world. The anticipation was palpable as everyone awaited the groundbreaking discoveries Hubble was expected to make. However, shortly after its deployment, a significant problem emerged. The atmosphere in the control room shifted from jubilation to concern. Hubble's main mirror, a crucial component for its mission, had a flaw. This flaw, though minuscule, was enough to compromise the telescope's performance. This tiny imperfection, just a fraction of a millimeter, caused significant issues. It affected Hubble's ability to focus light properly, leading to distorted images. The images it sent back were blurry and unfocused, a far cry from the crystal-clear views of the cosmos that were expected. Scientists and engineers were deeply disappointed. Years of hard work and high hopes seemed to be dashed in an instant. They had invested countless hours and immense effort into the Hubble project, only to face this unexpected setback. But they didn't give up. The team was determined to find a solution. They knew the potential of Hubble was too great to abandon. They began brainstorming and meticulously planning a repair mission. Every detail was scrutinized to ensure the success of the corrective measures. Astronauts underwent rigorous training for the repair mission. The stakes were high, but the team was resolute. They were committed to restoring Hubble's vision and unlocking the mysteries of the universe. In 1993, NASA sent astronauts on a daring mission to repair Hubble. They installed a special instrument to correct the mirror's flaw. The mission was a success. Hubble's vision was restored. Over the years, there have been several more servicing missions to Hubble. Astronauts have replaced old instruments and installed new ones. These upgrades have kept Hubble at the forefront of astronomical research. Hubble has made countless discoveries. It has captured stunning images of nebulae, which are clouds of gas and dust. It has observed the birth and death of stars. Hubble has even helped us measure the age of the universe. One of Hubble's most important discoveries was the observation of distant supernovae. These observations helped scientists learn that the expansion of the universe is accelerating. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of cosmology. Hubble has had a profound impact on astronomy. It has transformed our view of the universe. Hubble's images have inspired people all over the world. They have sparked our curiosity about space. Hubble has also played a crucial role in education and outreach. Its images and discoveries are featured in textbooks, documentaries, and museums. Hubble has brought the wonders of the universe into our homes. Hubble's legacy extends beyond its scientific achievements. It has inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Hubble has shown us what is possible when we push the boundaries of human ingenuity. Hubble has been operating for over 3 decades. It continues to make new discoveries. As Hubble nears the end of its mission, we celebrate its extraordinary contributions to science and humanity. Hubble may be nearing retirement, but the future of space exploration is bright. For over 3 decades, Hubble has provided us with breathtaking images and invaluable data, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. Its contributions have been monumental, but the journey doesn't end here. New and more powerful telescopes are being developed. These advanced instruments are designed to surpass Hubble's capabilities, offering unprecedented clarity and depth. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to bring these next-generation telescopes to life, pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. These telescopes will build on Hubble's legacy. They will incorporate the lessons learned from Hubble's mission, ensuring that future explorations are even more successful. The designs of these new telescopes are inspired by Hubble's achievements, aiming to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. They will allow us to see even farther into space and unlock more secrets of the universe. With enhanced imaging capabilities, these telescopes will reveal phenomena that were previously beyond our reach, from the formation of distant galaxies to the behavior of black holes. The James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble's successor, launched in 2021. This marvel of engineering is equipped with cutting-edge technology, designed to observe the universe in infrared light, providing a new perspective on the cosmos. It is already sending back incredible images. These images are not only stunning but also rich with scientific data, offering insights into the early universe, star formation, and the atmospheres of exoplanets. With these new telescopes, we are entering a golden age of astronomy. The collaboration between international space agencies and the continuous advancements in technology are paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries. The quest to understand our place in the cosmos continues. As we look to the stars, these new telescopes will guide us, expanding our knowledge and inspiring future generations to explore the wonders of the universe.